The following segment is sponsored by Fiesta Fun.
We took Fresh Living on the road and we are down here in St. George at Fiesta Fun, and I am talking to Britlin. Thank you so much for letting us stop by.
Yes, thanks for coming.
All right, so we are here at the bowling alley. You have this amazing media screen behind us. It's brand new. Talk to us about that.
Yeah, so we got it put in about 6 months ago. It's really awesome. It rotates through images, plays like videos. It's really cool.
I love it. I've been sitting here and I've been kind of mesmerized by it. We've gone to space, we've gone to the jungle. It is so cool. Speaking of this building, this isn't where you were originally. So tell us how you ended up in this building.
Yeah, so we started outside in the 90s. We just had our go-karts and our batting cages, and we ran out of a little shop. And then a couple years later, we opened up our original building. And that's now our 2-story haunted house. And then 8 years ago, we opened up this building with our 20 lanes of bowling, laser tag, bigger arcade, all of that.
We love it. And so many people are happy that you are here because Fiesta Fun, it's in the name. It is so much fun. And we've been seeing construction here or there as we've been hanging out. What can we expect? What's coming up next?
Yeah, in the next little while, we are going to be adding on to our facility. So right now we're at 40,000 square feet. We'll be almost doubling in size, adding 12 lanes of bowling, doubling our B lounge, going from 4 to 8 lanes. It'll be really awesome. Redoing the entire laser tag arena, making the arcade bigger.
All right, love it. So you mentioned the B lounge. What is that? It sounds very fancy. Talk to us about what that is.
Yeah, so the B lounge right now is 4 private lanes. It'll be going to 8 private lanes, and you can hold company parties in there, family events. It has couches, tables. It's really cool. A nice little private room.
I love it. That is so much fun. Okay, and you also recently won an award. Talk to us about that.
Yeah, so we won Best Attraction of Southern Utah. So we have tons of attractions here. Outside we have miniature golf, go-karts, kiddie carts, bumper boats, batting cages, inside laser tag and bowling. So really something for everybody here.
There you go. This is why they won that award. There's so many things to do here. And this, I mean, Fiesta Fun has been part of your family for a while. You told me that you grew up here. What was it like growing up here, seeing the changes and now seeing it from adults' perspective?
Yeah, like a lot of St. George, I grew up here at Fiesta Fun. It's the thing to do, right? I mean, it's been just amazing to watch it grow. I love that we added bowling. It adds something totally different. So when it's raining or really hot outside, you can come inside, do a game of bowling, play laser tag. I think it's just awesome just to be here while we're growing.
Love it. And do you need reservations, or can you just walk on in, have some fun? Do you need to sign up on the website? How does all of that work?
Yeah, so we don't do any reservations, just first come, first serve. The only thing we do reservations for are like parties, so events.
All right, there you go. All right, and talk to us a little more about the laser tag, because I know, I've heard, there's been word that laser tag is one of the favorite things to do here. Talk to us about the changes we'll see with that.
Yeah, so we're doing a laser tag arena completely new. We're making it bigger. We're trying to tell a story, so we're going to do a lot of theming. So from start to finish, it'll be like more of an immersive experience from the vesting room until you take off your vest at the end of the game. It's going to be really exciting.
So many exciting things coming up at Fiesta Fun. Where can we go for more information?
Yeah, you can go to fiestafuncenter.com or Instagram at Fiesta Fun.
Perfect. Well, it seems such a waste to not bowl. Let's do this.
Let's do
I'm going to grab the pink ball. It's going to match my shirt, and I'll just head on down.